Chapter number 4, that is nothing but quadratic equation. So you have studied linear equation. What is linear equation? If the degree of equation is 1, then that equation is called as a linear equation. Now what about quadratic? So quadratic is nothing but degree 2. The polynomials whose degree is 2, then that polynomial is called as a quadratic polynomial, and the equation is called as a quadratic equation. Okay. So in the first statement, we will write that what is a quadratic equation. So equation having degree 2 is called as quadratic equation. Degree 2 is nothing but what? Highest exponent of that variable is 2 in that particular equation. Means the equations of the form 2x square plus 3 is equals to 0. So here variable is x. Okay. Highest exponent is nothing but 2. So this type of equation is called as a quadratic equation. Okay, and mostly this equation is nothing but a quadratic equation in one variable. Okay, and we are going to study quadratic equations in one variable only. Okay, so the general form of quadratic equation in one variable is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is nothing but a coefficient of x square, b is nothing but a coefficient of x, and c is a constant term. In this particular equation, again you can see that the powers of variable x are 1 and 2, and the highest power, that is degree, is nothing but 2. So that's why this type of equation is called as a quadratic equation. But the supporting condition is what? This the coefficient of x square is a should not be equal to 0. So not equal to 0. And what are ABC? So A, B, C are coefficients, and these coefficients can be real numbers. Okay. So that's why we can say that the standard form of quadratic equation in one variable is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Now we have already studied about quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means since the quadratic polynomial has a degree 2, so that's why that polynomial has at the most two zeros. At the most two zeros, or if we consider graphical nature, then it will intersect x-axis at the most 2 points. Okay, and if it axis at only one point, then we can say that the zeros are repeated or zeros are equal. Okay, the same is for quadratic equation, because when we balances that quadratic polynomial with another similar term, another balanced term, that is nothing but 0. Why 0? Because when we substitute some values of x in this equation or in this LHS, x squared plus bx plus c, then if we get 0, then that value of variable is called as a solution of that quadratic polynomial. Means if we consider quadratic equation, so that value of variable is called as a root of that quadratic equation. Okay, so what is the solution of equation? We know what is solution. Solution is nothing but the values of variable which satisfy the given equation, so therefore we can say that the values of variable which satisfy the given quadratic equation are called as the solutions of that equation, or you can say zeros of quadratic equation, or you can say roots of that quadratic equation. Why these solutions are called as zero? Because after substituting these values, we get the answer of that polynomial as 0. Okay, value of that polynomial is 0. So that's why name 0 comes here. Okay, so these are nothing but roots of quadratic equation. So again, I repeat, since the degree is 2, so quadratic equation has at the most two zeros. At the most two zeros means one zero bhi ho sakta hai if the zeros are real and equal, and then real and unequal means there are two distinct roots, so maximum two zeros are possible. Okay, so write down first statement. Write down first statement. Ready? So first statement is nothing but The equation, the equation in which the equation in which the degree in bracket highest power of variable or highest exponent of variable, the equation in which the degree that is exponent of variable. See board, highest exponent of variable is highest exponent of variable bracket complete is 2, then this equation is called quadratic equation. Then this equation is called as a quadratic equation. This is nothing but your first point. Second point, the general form of quadratic equation, the general form of quadratic equation in one variable is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Third point, the quadratic equation in one variable, the quadratic equation in one variable has the quadratic equation in one variable has at most two zeros, that is in bracket roots. Okay, so these 3 points are important from quadratic equation point of view, and that so what is solution? So solution is nothing but the equation values of variable which satisfy the given equation. Okay. Yes, your textbook page number 73, exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. Okay. First is nothing but x plus 1 whole square, that is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Okay. So first question, x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square is equals to 2 into x minus 3. We have to check that this equation is quadratic or not. Okay. See here. We will expand this equation, that is x plus 1 whole square, using the identity a plus b whole square. Okay. So a plus b whole square is nothing but x square plus 2x plus 1. Then 2 into x minus 3 can be written as 2x minus 3 to the 6. Okay. And therefore x square plus 2x plus 1, this 2x shifted to LHS, so minus 2x, then plus 6, that is equal to 0. So again this 2x minus 2x cancelled. So x square, 6 plus 1 is 7. So x square plus 7, that is equal to 0. Okay. And we can express this equation like this. So x square plus 0x plus 7, that is equal to 0. So here we can write this is of the form, this equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, because it is a quadratic, na? Degree is 2. So this is of the form x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 and has a degree equal to 2. Therefore, the given equation is quadratic. The given equation is quadratic. Means we have to just simplify this given statement And then comparing the results with standard form of quadratic equation, we can predict that the given equation is quadratic or not. And obviously degree should be 2. Okay. And therefore we will write the given equation is quadratic equation. Question number 1, second, x square minus 2x is equals to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Minus 2 into 3 minus x. So here again, x square minus 2x as it is, minus 2 into 3 is nothing but minus 6, minus minus plus 2x. So x square minus 2x, this 2x becomes minus 2x, minus 6 becomes plus 6, that is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. So again, highest power of variable is 2 and it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we will write here degree is 2 and the equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and therefore it is a quadratic equation. And therefore it is a quadratic equation. X minus 2 x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 3. So bracket multiplication is there. So we will expand or multiply these two brackets. X into x minus 2 means x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. That is equal to x into x is nothing but x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. So here x square cancelled because of same sign. So minus 2x minus 3x plus x is equals to minus 3 plus 2. And therefore minus 5 plus 2, that is minus 3x plus 1, that is equal to 0. Correct? Yes or no? Minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So since degree is not equal to 2, therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, since the degree is not equal to 2, so therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Question number 1, 4. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equals to x into x plus 5. So therefore x into 2x is nothing but 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3. X into x is nothing but x square plus 5x. So let's shift these two terms to LHS. So 2x square minus x square like terms are there. Then it is minus 5x minus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x square minus 10x minus 3 is equals to 0. Since the degree is 2, so we can write here, since shortcutly we can write, since degree is equals to 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Since the degree is equals to 2, then it is a quadratic equation. See question number 1, 7. X plus 2 whole cube, that is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. So here we will use a plus b whole cube identity. So a cube means x cube. Okay. Then b cube. B cube is nothing but 2 cube 8. Then plus 3ab. So 3 2s are 6x into a plus b, that is x plus 2. That is equal to 2x into x square is nothing but 2x cube minus 2x. Therefore, x cube, okay, then minus 2x cube, okay, then plus 8 plus 2x, and then we will solve these two terms. 6x into x is nothing but 6x square plus 12x, and that is equal to 0. So minus x cube, okay, then plus 6x square, then 2x plus 12x is nothing but 14x, then plus 8 is equal to 0. Now here clearly the highest power is 3. The highest power is 3. So therefore degree is 3. So therefore degree is equals to 3, which is not equal to 2, and therefore it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Okay, students, so we will continue word problems in next class. Okay, so till that time, bye bye. Have a good day.